54 divided by 3 using area model. Set up your place values, put your 3 on the outside, put your 54 on the inside, write out your 3 times tables, if you need them. Then we'll write out our steps. Does McDonald's sell real cheese? Divide, multiply, subtract, repeat, and check. First, we're going to divide starting in our tens place. What's the closest we can get to 5 without going over? Let's skip counting 1 time. Then we're going to multiply 10 times 3 is 30. Then we'll subtract, because that's our next step. 54 minus 30 is 24. Then we're going to repeat. Back to division. We're now in our ones place, but we do have some tens left over that we can't forget. So now we have 24. We're going to divide. What's the closest we can get to 24 without going over? Oh, hey, look, it's actually 24. We got that by going 8 times 3 equals 24. Then when we subtract, 24 minus 24 is 0. Can we repeat? Nope, there's no boxes left. So let's check. Is 0 smaller than 3? Yes, it is. And since that is our remainder of 0, we don't even need to write that. We get our answer by looking right here, which would be 18.